welcome everybody. Welcome back to Adam's Info. Now before we start this video, I just want to let you know that اللغة العربية موجودة في الترجمة. Today we're gonna be talking about how things are made. First, paper. They go to the forest and get some wood. Then they remove the bark. It's kind of like cleaning. Then they make it into very small chips that we call wood chips. Then they boil it. Then they add a little bit of chemicals so they can make it a little bit flexible. Then they put it into a machine that will roll the wood, and then you will have a sheet of paper. Second, tomato ketchup. Do you know how this ketchup is made? Oh, it's too obvious. They are made out of tomatoes. But how do they make it in this process? Well, I will tell you. First, they harvest the tomatoes. They sort them with the good ones and the bad ones. And then they send them to the factory. Then the factory crushes them. They put salt, vinegar, and sugar. Then they mix them together like boiling, and then they cool it, and then they put them in their little curtain thing, and then they send them to the stores, and then we get the ketchup. صحتين. Third, glass. Have you ever wondered how this glass is made? Well, today I will tell you. This glass is made out of sand. First, they put it in an oven with 2,000 degrees. Oof, that's a lot. They form it into a squarish, roundish, anything they want. But while they're forming it, they heat it. This is what we call annealing. So they anneal it, so it can be more workable. Then they send it to the packing, and this is how you have perfect glass. Alhamdulillah. Fourth, pencil. Have you ever wondered how this pencil is made? Pencil is made out of wood, just like paper. First, they cut wood into small planks. Then they make grooves. On the top groove they glue, and on the bottom groove they put graphite. They make it into a shape of a pencil. They put rubber, and then they sharpen it, and then it's ready for packing. But if they want to, they can color it. One small information, that pencil is not made from lead because it is toxic and unhealthy. This is why they are using graphite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and share my video with your friends. Salam!